Welcome to Secrets Vallarta Bay. This is the Secrets adult only side, and right beside us is Now Amber, the family friendly resort. King size bed. You could put your luggage there if you wanted. Lamps with plug-ins for your devices. Let's turn this on. Phone, remote. Jacuzzi tub. If you want privacy, you can let the drape fall. This would be great for a honeymoon couple. Double bowl sinks. Aren't they lovely? And this is the view you're greeted with as soon as you open the curtains. This resort, even though it looks as if it's massive, over there we are actually looking at the Now Resort, which is family friendly. This is Secrets adult only. It has swim out rooms, as you can see. It has a gazebo. Seems to be kids lined up there. Several pools. Fabulous beach. And all the rooms face the ocean. So there are the apartments and hotels of Puerto Vallarta. You can rent Sea-Doos, book excursions that include water excursions. I have done catamaran rides to private beaches and gone snorkeling. So there is a lot to do here in Puerto Vallarta. And one of the greatest draws, in my opinion, is to walk on the Malecon. That's a walkway about, I think it's close to 2 kilometers. It's the most fabulous walkway. They have lots of street entertainment, tequila tasting, restaurants, lots of fun. So when you're in Puerto Vallarta, there's always something to do. Deep sea fishing, sailing, parasailing. So if you feel that coming to Puerto Vallarta is something you would be interested in, call me, Susan at Escapes, and let's plan your next family vacation, romantic getaway, destination wedding, multi-generational family holiday. Omar is making me a mango margarita. And what is the spice around the rim?
That is tajin.
Tajín?
Tajin, sal, chili.
Ah, chili. Oscar, that looks magnificent.
You are?
Thank you. This is the preferred floor and the floor that my room is located. You can help yourself to espresso, champagne, Don Julio, Belvedere, Bacardi, Tanqueray, Appleton, Jack Daniels, fruit, tea, and a variety of books. This is one of the privileges when you book a room with preferred in front of the name. So bear that in mind when you're booking. Susan at Escapes, call me. We are in the preferred lounge. So if you choose a room that has the name preferred, this is a private lounge for check-in where you can have a drink. Hi, how are you? And if you felt like you wanted to have a little nibble of something before you go up to your room, this is where you can do that. Puerto Vallarta is a great destination. If you have yet to visit, please call me and let's plan your next getaway to Puerto Vallarta.